Have you noticed that most times when you open to your page or your professional mode, you notice that your followers are reducing? I don't know if you have witnessed that. Okay, because many people are complaining. It's also happening to me. I notice many people kind of following me. I will see it on notification, but instead of the followers to be going up, thing either it's going down or it stays at the same spot, at the same number that it has been for so long. Meanwhile, you're having people following you on a daily basis. I don't know if you have had such experience, but if you have few number of followers and you're kind of keen to grow your page, you must have noticed it. People that will not notice it like that are people that have many followers, or they're not even, they've gotten what they want anyways. They're not even after how many followers they have. Okay, so it's happening to many people, and the reason is that some people will kind of follow you with time. They will unfollow you back, especially when they notice that you have followed them. Some people are just there. I don't know if you have noticed, they will just come and say, okay, kind of, you understand, I want you to kind of follow me too. But when you do that, with time they will kind of undo it. So those that is one of the reasons why your followers keep reducing, but people keep asking question, why. So this is one reason why your followers keep reducing. People that followed you, they later unfollowed you, especially when they know that you have followed them, because many people don't have the time to go and keep checking who is following me, who has unfollowed me, and who has not unfollowed me. But some people have the time, they have that time. They will kind of want you to kind of extend the same gesture. And when you do that with time, they will go back and undo it, and which is very, very bad. So why I'm making this video is for you to know that some people actually unfollow you with time. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to see it, as a how to know that some people actually unfollow you with time. Okay, let me show you guys. So what you will do is for you to go to your page or professional mode, click on see dashboard. So when you click on see, excuse me, and I click on see insight, see more insight. Here you click on see more insight. When you click on see more insight, then click on this performance, see all. Click on see all. Wait for it to open. Okay, now it has opened. Click on your net followers, allow it to boot. Okay, now you see it. You will see net followers 32. Meanwhile, new followers you have is 40. I see you have 40 new followers within 1 month, 28 days. But later, 8 unfollowed. So are you seeing the reason why your followers will keep reducing? Some will follow and later unfollow. All right. So when you are in doubt, just go through this process, and you will see actually that some people unfollowed you. All right. So it's not actually Facebook's fault most times. Sometimes it's just people that do it. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.